Hi class, Dr. Colson here. Just going to give you a little update tutorial on how to use Google Scholar. So I'm going to share my screen with you and then we will go through the steps to use Google Scholar. Okay, you'll see here just your basic search engine, whatever you want to use, and just go to the search bar and type in, I just go here and search for Google Scholar, if I can spell Google correctly, and then select Google Scholar. This is what you're going to use to search for articles, anything that you need to be credible for peer review. You can use this for all of your classes, so it's just a nice little piece. So once you get here to Google Scholar, make sure you go up to settings. So select settings, and then you will click on library links. Now you'll notice I have the University of Southern Indiana. So I'm going to uncheck that. But all you have to do is select here and you're going to type in the University of Southern Indiana. That way it'll search our library as well. So we search for that and it comes up. So it'll come up here, University. So you just hit check that. So make sure both of those are checked and then hit save. So now you can search for whatever you want. So if I'm searching for brain-based research on phonics. So now I have a list of all of these different types of articles. I can also search over here for time range. So if I want something within the last 5 years, I can search from 2017 to 2012 and then hit search. So now it narrows my choices down. It'll also tell you, like in this top one here, you can see that it says book. So this is a book, not an article. So here is probably a chapter out of a book, Reading Disability in the Brain. So I can select that, but to actually see the full article, I come over here and I click PDF Semantic Scholar article. So now here we are. So here is, this was done in March of 2004. This was probably posted in a book that was newer. So here it talks about reading disability in the brain. So it has a nice article for you to read there. So I'll select get out of that. Oh, it looks like I got out of everything. So let's go back to Google Scholar again. And go into brain-based research on phonics. All right, so now I'm looking over, let's say since 2013 is what I want. And then here's one, the practical and principled problems with educational research. So I can select that PDF. And now I have a nice article to read about that as well. Now, when you want to go to cite in APA, because most of you have to do a reference, everything needs to be in APA for education. And so you can just go to cite here. And it'll tell you I want it in APA, so I'll just copy and paste that into my Word document. So let's look at one more. So here's a good one. Research-based strategies for students with learning disabilities. Focus on phonics and fluence. So I can select that article. A lot of times, if it's coming from our library and you're not signed in, then you'll have to go in and sign in. So, but here is a nice one that you can read. This looks like it may be a part of a master's program here, but you may find some stuff there that you want to look at. And you can just select through and go through, and then you can always change your, so now I just want to do brain-based research on early reading. I'm not finding what I want, so I want to change. So now I've come back in here again, and I'm custom ranging. I may say since 2010. May change my range. Now I'm here again, and I can sort by date, so I want the newest first, and go through there, or I can search by relevance, how close it is to what I select. You can also save your selections, your citations, and those kinds of things. So, all right. If you have any questions about using Google Scholar, make sure you let me know. Hope you have a wonderful day.